All right, my professional hot take is that we need more humanities nerds in analytics. People often ask me what kind of background it takes to get into analytics. Do they need an advanced mathematical degree, an MBA? I always ask what the last humanities class was that they took. So I'm not a job coach, but part of what I do is consult businesses and organizations on how best to set up their data and analytics practices, including job descriptions. Obviously, the details are going to vary from industry to industry, organization to organization, even business unit to business unit. But there are some key general things that I always include in job descriptions and roles. There's technical expertise, being able to understand how platforms work, how best to capture, process, and mine the data itself. There's mathematical abilities, being able to put together a regression analysis or understanding what a chi-square test means, like that kind of stuff. And to feed the LinkedIn gods, there's some kind of business or industry knowledge that we call domain expertise. But there are a couple more abilities that I try to look for and strongly advise my clients do the same. Some of those skill sets include emotional intelligence. Can you read a room? Can you understand how influence works? There's cultural fluency. How well do you understand cultural norms? And there's what I call bias for synthesis. Can you think abstractly enough to turn what you find into something tangible? And where are these abilities more likely to be honed and nurtured? The humanities. I'm talking literature, philosophy, performing arts, history. These disciplines complement the math and technical capabilities. They prevent analysts from just being human calculators. Humanities training teaches you to question everything, not in like an annoying devil's advocate type of way, but genuinely interrogating solutions and assumptions. It trains pattern recognition across human systems to identify recurring themes across time periods, cultures, language. It also builds up the skill of context switching. And context switching is one of the biggest hurdles that I've seen analysts encounter. Navigating between organizational and team politics, business trends, business needs, technical stuff, all that kind of work. And we haven't even touched on ethics and understanding the social implications of data, both in collection and use. Also, notice that I didn't say anything about having a degree. For most data or analytics positions, having a degree requirement unnecessarily cuts out otherwise brilliant and talented analysts who could probably run circles around some of the senior analysts that I've encountered. But that's a different conversation that'll probably make LinkedIn very uncomfortable. So, yes, a good analyst will have technical capabilities, mathematical skills, and domain knowledge or expertise, but a great analyst will have all those things and be able to pull from Noam Chomsky's Manufactured Consent, post-colonial Algerian art, and Philip K. Dick short stories to hammer home that AI is going to fucking kill us all.